Welcome to my students. Myself Pratiranjan Behra. I am lecturer in chemistry of Narada Vidya Mandir, Plus 2 Science College, Berhampur. Last class I discussed the zero order reaction and first order reaction. Today I discussed the numerical part of the first order of reaction. We know that the first order reaction is K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log A by A minus X. This A is equal to initial concentration, A minus X is equal to after concentration or after time T. This is T is equal to time period and K is equal to rate constant. The first numerical is, first example होचे the first order देखो क्वेश्चन अच्छी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन हैज रेट कांस्टेंट 1.15 to 10 to power minus 3 second inverse. How many long will 5 gram of this reactant take to reduce 3 gram? In case of this initial concentration 5 gram, after concentration decomposed to form a 3 gram. So given that this initial concentration is equal to 5 gram. This is A. This after concentration, the final concentration is equal to 3 gram. This is A minus X. And also given the rate constant is equal to K is equal to 1.15 into 10 to power minus 3 second inverse. I'm going to calculate how many long this time period calculate. 5 ग्राम 3 ग्राम डिकम्पोज पे तुम कहते हैं टाइम रिक्वायर्ड पड़ता है भाग करो we know that K is equal to 2.303 by T. This is 2.303. T is equal to T is जानना है given 80 ले जाओ 80 K लिख दो. This K value is equal to 1.15 10 to power minus 3. This is log A by A minus X. A is equal to 5 gram. A minus X is equal to 3 gram. This T is equal to 2.33 1.15 10 to power minus 3. This is log 5 minus 3. This T is equal to 2.303 1.15 10 to power minus 3. This log 5 value is equal to 0.690. This log 3 is equal to 0.471. Minus करो. This is 9. This is 1. And another is 2 to 0.2219. This T is equal to 2.303 1.15 10 to power minus 3 0.2219. Final multiply. The answer is 445 second. Complete. मन रखो एनी तोरो रेट कांस्टेंट देथियो टाइम रिक्वायर्ड देछि इनिशियल कांस्टेंट देछि 5 ग्राम आफ्टर कांस्टेंट केते डिकम्पोज केते आसले तुमको 3 ग्राम ए टाइम पीरियड भाग करो T is equal to simply formula मन रखो K is equal to 2.303 divided by t in log a by n minus x. कितना वैल्यू मान रखो लॉगरिथम वैल्यू this log 2 is equal to 0.3010, log 3 is equal to 471, this log 5 is equal to 0690. Clear? The first complete. Next example 2. The rate constant for the first order reaction is 60-second inverse. How much time will it take to reduce the initial concentration of the reactant to its 1/16th value? One of the important question, CHS board of important question. One of the static question is the rate constant to the first order reaction is 60-second inverse. This given that rate constant dela k is equal to 60-second inverse. Next question, how much time will take to reduce? How much time? T is equal to question mark. Next, it reduced to the initial constant of the reactant to its 1/16th value. Let the initial concentration is equal to A. Starting concentration के दिला कितने से पर reduce होइছে? This is 1/16th value. So after concentration is equal to A by 16. Clear? The initial concentration मिलली A नेली तार 1/16 पार्ट से कोना reduce कला. This is A by 16. फॉर्मूला बघा T बाहेर करूया. T is equal to 2.303. This is K. K is equal to 60-second inverse into log A is equal to A. This is A minus X is equal to this is A minus X. A minus X is equal to A by 16. A cancel. So T is equal to 2.303 by 60. This is log 16. This is 2.303 60 into log 16. Log 16 means 2 to the power 4. This is 2.303 60. This is 4 log 2. This log 2 4 is equal to 4 log 2. This is 4 into 0.3010. 4 into 0.3010. We can calculate it. The final value is 4.62 10 to the power minus 2 second. This is answer. Clear? One of the important question is here. In case it is 1/16 or half of the value. In case half the value, it value will go A by 2. In case of double value, A is equal to A. This is 2A. Clear? question. The rate constant for the first order reaction is 0.005 minute inverse. Calculate the half life. Calculate the half life. हमको half life period पचाचे half life formula कौन सा रहा T half is equal to 0.693 by K. K is equal to rate constant. it value कौन दीजिए the rate constant but first order reaction दीजिए the rate constant value दीजिए हमें K is equal to 0.005 minute inverse. Clear? So T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K is equal to 0.05. Calculation करो the value आसियो 138.6 minute. This is the answer. Simple question, 1 mark question आसियो rate constant value दीजिए half life period बात. In case मानो तोमरा एडी तुमको अगर half life मानो रा rate constant दीजिए तुमको कौन करिवो T मागियो T मागियो फॉर्मूला कौन करियो T इक्वल पकेयो this is 2.303 by K is log A by A minus X value करी कौन करियो T रे value ना करियो and also कौन करता मैं मानो से कौन करतियो T half दी तो value and question रे मानो this is T half value दीची तुम K value पुट आनिबो एक क्वेश्चन आनिबो K is equal to 0.693 by T half. एटी K value प्लस ला K value एट पुट करी तुम कौन करिवो T value भी बाहर करिवो ये फॉर्मूला मन रखो फर्स्ट T value बाहर करियो नेक्स्ट कौन करता मैं रेट कांस्टेंट वैल्यू बाहर करियो first order reaction takes 40 minutes for 80% completion decomposition calculate the half life period. Calculate the half life period. So last question discussion करथिले same question आसला first of each कोन a fast order reaction takes 40 minutes like T is equal to 40 minutes कितने टाइम इसे 40 मिनट फॉर 80% डिकम्पोजिशन ले स्टार्टिंग केते कंसंट्रेशन थिबो 100% लाइक इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन 100% स्टार्टिंग कंसंट्रेशन किसी तमरा डिकम्पोज नै स्टार्टिंग केते दर 100% फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन केते रहला फाइनल केते स्टार्टिंग 100 थिला तार से कोन गला 80% डिकम्पोजिशन हेछि इज 100 - 80 = 20%. This is A and this is A minus X. Clear? First, calculate the half life period. Half life is equal to T half is equal to 0.693 by K. ये first कौन value बाहर करियो K value बाहर करियो बाहर करो K is equal to 2.303 T log A by A minus X. This is 2.303. Small t is equal to 40 minute. Log a is equal to, this is 100. This a minus 6 is equal to 20. The cancel कर दियो. This log 5 2.303 40. Log 5 is equal to 0.6990. This is a constant. This value asila k value asila half like in बार करियो. T half is equal to 0.693. K is equal to 2.303 into 0.690 into 40. Clear? अब value डायरेक्ट पुट कर दियो. इसके T half is equal to, भाई कैलकुलेशन करो. कैलकुलेशन करते हो ना डी दोनों. T half value. Simple मन रखो. In case of any reaction, this is already 75% दे दिला. Initial concentration कितना वो 100. Final concentration वो 100 minus 75 is equal to 25%. मतलब in case मतलब for 80% required लगियो. 80% तो अपना decomposition में कितने तमरो required time लगे. से कैसे करना हो? Initial concentration 100, after concentration 80 करो. कहीं से 20% डिस्काउंट और 80% डिसोसिएशन में कितने तमरो time required पड़ो. से कैसे करना हो? 80% डी. Next most important question, so that for the first order reaction the time required for 99% completion of the reaction is twice the time required to complete 90% of the reaction. देखो क्वेश्चन कौन दीजिए, so that and prove करें हमको इटे in case of first order reaction the 99% completion and 90% completion. ये तो मैं 99% completion पे कहते हैं 90% पे कौन इटे डबल होगा इधर twice हो. हम इटे prove करेंगे. केस 1 नुचे केस 1 फर्स्ट मु 99% ର बाहर करछि. दिस इज t 99% टाइम पीरियड बाहर करछि कार 99% बाहर करी. दिस इज 2.303 डिवाइड बाय k. दिस k कांस्टेंट सेम क्रोजेट कांस्टेंट अछि k नहीं रेडी. दिस इज log a इज केते अब स्टार्टिंग के थिला 100 आफ्टर कंसीडर केते 99% कंप्लीट हैला केते रहला डिसिजन केते रहला वो 1% is log 100 by 1. So 2.303 by k log 100. This is log 100 square. So 10 square by k is 2 log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. So this is 2. This is t 99%. The case 2 कहते हैं t 90% बार करिया. This is 2.303 by k. Same initial concentration 100. After concentration 90% complete है जी. This है तो रहला 10. cancel करो, this is 2.303 by k, this is log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. नाने क्लियर? ये दी गई इक्वेशन असल में T99 T90%. ये दी गई इक्वेशन को डिवाइड करो, T99 divided T90 is equal to 2.303 k is 2. This is 2.305 k into 1. ये कैंसिल कर दियो, ये कितना आएगा? T99 is equal to 2 and T99 is equal to 2 into 290. This is proof. है T99 कौन कंप्लीट पे 2 into 90% लगी। इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन मन रो बेटा, next question, for the first order reaction, the time 16 minutes to complete 50% reaction. How much time does it take to complete 75% of reaction? देखो our question आसला, the question is gonna for the first order reaction the time required is 16 minutes to complete 50%. 16 minutes रे मतलब starting concentration माना करो 100% अच्छी, 100% रो से 50% complete में कितने time लगुचे? 16 minutes. Next question है how much time does same concentration मतलब 75% पे तुमको time required कितने पूरे बाहर करो. Starting 8 कौन दबे rate constant बाहर करो. K is equal to 2.303 by this is T log initial concentration कितना हुआ 50% अच्छी, initial concentration 100. After concentration A minus X is equal to 100 minus 50 is equal to 50%. ये कैंसिल करो कितना सिला log 2. ये T इधर पकड़ देते 16 2.303 16 log 2 is equal to 0.3010. Clear? Multiply करके आसुएगा 0.0433 minute inverse. Clear? ये वैल्यू पड़ा चला. नेक्स्ट से पचास जी कोना 75% पे तुम्हें कहते हैं t भाग करो टाइम भाग करो t is equal to 2.303 by k. K is equal to कितना चला 0.0433. This is log A is equal to initial concentration 100, after concentration 75%, 100 minus 75 is equal to 25. Cancel करो कितना चला 4. This is 2.303 0.0433 log 4 is equal to this is log 2 the square, this is log 2 log 2 and this is 2 into 0.3010. Value को दियो 2 into 0.3010. Answer is 6.643. This is minute. एती टाइम से कोन हो 75% कंप्लीट हो सेम कंसंट्रेशन 16 मिनिट रे 50% कंप्लीट हो जी 6.6 प्रति मिनिट से कोन हो 75% कंप्लीट हो देखो स्टार्टिंग रे एग्जांपल 1 सेम क्वेश्चन पचार थिले सेडी कोन देथिला 5 ग्राम टू 3 ग्राम एडी कॉन्सेंट दे देछि 0.1 मोलारिटी नेक्स्ट 0.02 मोलारिटी सेम करो given that first order reaction the rate constant is equal to 2.31 10 to the power minus 2 second inverse. This is initial concentration 0.1 final concentration is equal to 0.02 we know that T is equal to 1 by 2.303 this is K value K is equal to 2.31 into 10 to the power minus 2 this log 0.1 divided by 0.02 it is called 0.1 as this is 10 to the power minus 1 this is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 eta uponiyo eta asbo plus 2 this is plus 1 this is 10 cancel karo eta asbo 5 T is equal to 2.303 2.31 10 to the minus 2 this log 5 is equal to 0.6990 the final answer is equal to 69.6 seconds clear starting same question देथिली सीडी आस्तला 5 ग्राम टू 3 ग्राम एट कांस्टेंट देछि 0.1 to 0.02 complete clear आज के तमर कोन न्यूमेरिकल पुतेली फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन बोर्ड एग्जाम रो गोटे क्वेश्चन आसीबो इंक्लूडिंग लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन इंक्लूड होतो कोन न्यूमेरिकल आसीबो ट्राई करो हे जिवो हला सो आज का एती थाओ नेक्स्ट क्लास रे डिस्कशन किस पर हला थैंक यू